Food delivery apps generate massive amounts of valuable data every minute, from restaurant listings and menus to prices, ratings, and availability. But accessing this data manually is slow, inconsistent, and inefficient. Our food app data scraping services help you extract real time data from leading food delivery platforms with accuracy and scale. We collect detailed restaurant information, menu items, pricing, discounts, delivery fees, ratings, reviews, and location data, all structured and ready for analysis. With real time updates, you can monitor competitor pricing, track menu changes, analyze customer preferences, and identify emerging food trends across cities and regions. Data is delivered in clean formats such as CSV, Excel, JSON, or through API integration, allowing seamless use across dashboards, analytics tools, and internal systems. Whether you're a startup, enterprise, analyst, or developer, our food app data scraping solutions empower you to make faster, smarter, data-driven decisions. Extract real-time food app data and turn insights into growth with reliable food app data scraping services.